All right, we've got cold and icy conditions out there this morning. That's all to be expected following a snowstorm, but you're going to want to use some caution as you head out onto the roads this morning. Certainly secondary roads are still going to have icy spots, even some snow on them. And with the temperatures in the lower and middle 20s this morning, anything that was damp, slushy on the roads or sidewalks last night froze. Looking at Newport, we got good visibility this morning. Still some cloudiness overhead. That'll gradually clear out. And while most spots are seeing a dry morning, we do have some light snow still falling over southeast Plymouth County and much of Cape Cod. That'll tend to taper off as the morning goes on. Here's another look at some of the snowfall totals. Most of us ended up between 8 and 12 inches. It's expected it was a little bit more in parts of northwest Rhode Island, and we ended up closer to as low as 4 or 5 inches on parts of the immediate coastline to as high as 8 inches in Little Compton. Here's what it looks like right now out the door. Lower and middle 20s. New Bedford's at 25, 24 Providence, 22 in Westerly. Dress for the wind chills. 10 to 15 degrees, what it feels like right now for Newport, Westerly, Smithfield, and Providence. Willimantic wind chill at 15. So winds are about 5 to 15 miles per hour for sustained wind speeds. We are still going to get some gusts as high as 20 miles per hour, especially in the first part of the day today, but the winds will gradually diminish and the clouds will gradually clear out too. So we are waking up to some extra cloudiness this morning, and as that continues to push east, we'll see more sunshine as the morning and especially afternoon goes on. It's a chilly day. Temperatures right around the upper 20s to lower 30s in the early afternoon, about 32 in Westerly and Providence. So barely hitting the freezing mark for most of us, and that means we're not going to do much melting today. Cold air in place for tonight and when you wake up tomorrow morning too. So let's talk about the wind chill for today. Teens this morning, low 20s this afternoon, back into the teens this evening and overnight tonight. And here's a look at the actual low temperatures tonight. With clear skies back for the overnight hours, fresh snow on the ground, dry air overhead. It's really all the ingredients that you need to have some very cold nighttime temperatures, and we'll see that about 15 degrees on average in Providence. Taking a look by 8 o'clock in the evening, upper teens and lower 20s, and the temperatures just keep on dropping before dawn tomorrow morning. So about 13 in Fall River and Taunton. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw some spots that actually hit the single digits tomorrow morning. Pasco around 13, Westerly 15, Coventry 14. Tomorrow afternoon, not much warmer than today, lower and middle 30s. So great day to keep that snow around, maybe finally get out with the kids and enjoy it, right? We've got an area of low pressure, our storm system moving away and high pressure building in for today and tomorrow. That's going to keep us dry as we head into the weekend, and we'll stay dry for most of the weekend. Want to widen back out the view to show you the setup for Sunday. So we've got this little batch of light rain and snow showers that are going to be approaching our area. So by the end of the day on Sunday, some of these passing through. This won't be a big deal for us, but a little bit of light precipitation falling during the evening hours on Sunday, and then back to dry weather it looks like for Monday. But we do have to keep an eye on this offshore storm. Right now looking like a close call, but mostly a miss. If it ends up tracking a little bit closer to us, we'd have to introduce possibly some rain into the area for Monday. So 32 for today. 35 for tomorrow. Light shower on the way for Sunday late day. A lot of extra clouds at a minimum on Monday. Tuesday looking cool, dry, and breezy. Wednesday looks dry, but Thursday, Friday, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, could be a rainmaker coming through. Gusty winds and possibly some downpours for Christmas Eve night.